When you acquire one of these 10 to 15-year-old Mercedes-Benzes, one of the things you want to do, is to check the cabin air filters. You've heard me harp on this. Now remember, in all the cars I've purchased and owned personally that are in this age range and older, Mercedes first came out with cabin air filters in 1989. Well, you got to remember that I've never seen a set of clean cabin air filters. They're always dirty, sometimes really dirty. So I just acquired this SL500 a few months ago, so I'm going to check the cabin air filters. This is something that's pretty easy to do on this particular model. Now this is a car that has under 80,000 miles. It's been maintained, it's been garaged, have lots of service records. I don't have anything about cabin air filters. So I'm going to get into the dash right now, and you're going to get to see whether this car beats the odds. Fortunately, the cabin air filters on this particular model are pretty easy to get to and easy to change. They're located right into the dash here on the passenger side. I just got a panel that I have to remove that has 3 screws in it. Keep in mind, most of these newer models are torque screws, so don't get in there with a Phillips screwdriver and try to get the screws out, or you'll be frustrated, all right? I've already pulled 2 of the screws out, so I've just got the last one here. I got to kind of feel it up into place here. I've got the screws out, moved the light out of the way. I've got to peel these carpets back like this and then reach up in there, and I've got to push forward down on that corner to get this corner out of the center console trim, and then I can pull the panel down. Notice that you don't want to force this. You may need to bow the panel a little bit to get it out. You don't want to break any of these plastic pieces. Now I can unplug the speaker and the light. All right, there's the panel. And now I'm going to get my light back up in here. I'll set it on top of the carpet like this. Okay, I reach up in here, and I'm not going to film the clips here because there's a lot of videos on YouTube about how to get these off. Yes, put the slide the clips. Once I get the covers off, there's a little finger hole you can reach in and pull the filters out. Well, look at this. These are not the factory filters. These are aftermarket filters, Micron Air. And let me show you. First time in my life I've seen clean cabin air filters removed from a 12-year older Mercedes-Benz. Well, I can't believe it. I thought I was going to prove a point, but I'm going to have to prove a different point. When you get a car like this and you see these type of cabin air filters have been recently replaced, you see good tires, good battery, it just is another indication that whoever owned this car really loved it and really maintained it. So I'm quite happy to discover brand new, these are almost brand new, I don't see any dirt on them at all, cabin air filters in my SL500, because it indicates that the previous owners really did care about this car.